Good day, it's your boy, it's your homie, Base Vlog TV. Today discuss about the Senator Amy's statement that the issuance of the executive privilege is a cover-up. Guys, Senator Amy Bongo and Bato seem to be fault-finding the government administration of looking for any issue, even the least important ones, just to implicate PBM and cabinet. And then bloating this to make it a big deal, bigger than or more important than murder and corruption. Purposely just to trade away from the litigation of the scrutiny of the public of Duterte's EGK cases and VP Sara's corruption on the OVP's confidential funds and impeachment. And this now the Committee on Foreign Affairs conduct this hearing questioning the legality of APRD's arrest. Guys, despite this issue had already been addressed and to be legal by former SA judges and law experts, both national and international, and pending its ICC trial, this made the hearing sub judice. The last Executive Secretary Bersamin issued the executive privilege. But then, however, Senator Amy claimed that this is a cover-up. So what an effing nonsensical, twisted and narrow-minded argument is that? Stop it! Are you the ones who